Here's how to log in or register an account with us to place bids on our auction platform. To visit our website, search rumnicoin.com, either into the search bar of your chosen search engine, such as Google, or enter www.rumnicoin.com into the URL search bar. Once you have loaded our website, you will be on the home page. To see our auctions, view the header banner menu and reveal the auctions drop-down list. Here you will find upcoming auctions, past auctions, and details on how to consign with us. By clicking on Upcoming Auctions, this page will reveal all scheduled or live auctions. Once you have found your desired auction that you want to view, you can load this auction by clicking on the image banner, auction title text, or on auction schedule. This will open up the auction catalogue where you can browse all of the lots. Each lot has a button that allows you to read more and to place a bid on this lot. This will open up the full information for this lot, such as full description, images, estimate prices, and current bids. You can also place your bid on this lot from here. To make your browsing easier, you can search the catalogue to give results of lots that match keywords from your search. You can also filter for lots that are sold or unsold, filter by lot category, such as world or ancient coins, and filter by country. There is also a sorting option that allows you to sort by lot number, ascending or descending estimate. By clicking on the Read More to place a bid button, you can view the full details for that specific lot. The lot details include the lot number and title, the category, the estimate price range, the auction date and time, the time remaining for pre-bids to be accepted on this lot, which is typically 1 hour before the live auction time, and the full lot description. From this screen, you can enter an amount to place your own bid, but you must be logged in and have agreed to the sales terms before successfully placing a bid. Click on the Bid Now button to log in or create an account. In order to place a successful bid, you must first either log into your existing account with your email address and password. If you are a first-time user of the site and have not yet created an account with us, you can register to create one. Registering to create an account is simple, where you need to provide your title, first and last name, email address and password, your address including city, zip code and country, and a phone number. Only those labelled with an asterisk are required information. You are automatically opted in to receive our newsletter, and you must agree to our terms and conditions and privacy policy before creating an account with us. Upon successful account creation, you will see a message that will thank you for registering. There is one more step, and this is to verify your email address. You will have been sent an email, so please check your inbox and junk or spam folder for this. Make sure to add us as a contact to avoid emails going to junk in the future. Once you have found the email, click on the Confirm Your Email Address button. This will redirect you to the website and successfully verify your email address, where you can now log into your account on our website. Now that you have an account, you can view your account details by clicking on the person icon in the header banner. You can add or update your address and contact details. This is important as you want items to be shipped to your current address. Shipping instructions can be set, such as details on where to leave items, for example. Your password can be changed here. If you have forgotten your password, however, you can click the Forgot Password button on Login, where a link will be sent to your email address to reset your password. You can view all of your currently placed bids or the performance of any consigned items to our auctions. You can also log out here. You can now place a bid successfully, ensuring you are logged into your account. Enter your desired bid amount in the box. Before clicking Bid Now, you first must accept the full conditions of sales. Once you have ticked the box, you can then press the Bid Now button to confirm your bid. By clicking the hyperlink titled I accept the conditions of sales, this will take you to our terms and conditions. Your bid has now been placed, and this is treated as your maximum bid. Our auctions are also advertised on sites such as Numisbids and Bidder. Similarly, you can view the full auction catalogue and place pre-bids here, provided you have an account with these sites. For more information, email us at contact@rumnicoin.com or view the contact page on our website at rumnicoin.com. Thank you and happy bidding!